So next concept is utilitarianism. What is it? Utilitarianism. So we are done with deontological, teleological, egoism. Now we are coming to what philosophy? It is utilitarianism. Now what is utilitarianism? It says that if good acts of a business are more than its bad acts, then the business is ethical. Very easy concept. And see, it has a huge application in our practical life also. I'm saying how. So if the good acts of a business are more than its bad acts, then the business will be termed as what? It will be termed as ethical. If the good acts of the business are more than the bad acts, the business will be termed as what? It will be termed as ethical business. So what is utilitarianism? What is this practical aspect? How can I define this thing? How can I define this thing? Suppose you as a person, as an individual, considers some other individual to be good. You say, what? মানুষটা খুব ভালো মানুষ, মানুষটা কিন্তু খুব ভালো মানুষ. Sometimes we say. So there are students who say that হ্যাঁ সুমি ম্যাম কিন্তু খুব ভালো, সুমি ম্যাম কিন্তু খুব ভালো. So why are you saying this ভালো? How much do you know me that you're giving me a tag of a good person? How much do you know me? Only during my college hours, when I'm with you all, I'm interacting with you all, or from my those Facebook, FB, Instagram, all those things. You have seen something that have inspired you. You have seen something that is motivational. So you have tagged me as a good person. I'm taking my example. So you all have tagged me as a good person. Again, few students say, no, ma'am is not good at all. Ma'am is just okay. So how can you label me as okay or I'm a bad person? How? Why are you saying this? Why some students are considering me as a good person and some students are considering me as a bad person? Why? Because the students who are considering me as a good person, they have seen the good in me. They have found the good in me. They have somehow connected with me. They have watched my behavior. They have considered several aspects of mine. And that's why they have ignored the bad of me. But it doesn't mean that I can be a perfect person. No, never. I too do mistakes. I have anger issues. I have many issues. But my good behavior with my students or my good acts in my life is more than my bad ones. Because every person have two characters. One is the evil part, another is the good part. The evil part will always try to dominate your good part. But you are the only one who can control that evil part, being more and more good. So the students who say that ma'am is a very good person, the students have seen my good things. That's why they are saying that I'm a good person, but that doesn't mean that I am a perfect person. Even I have my bad issues. I have bad parts that they are unknown of. But why they are unknown of? Because they have never seen those bad parts. Or it is so less in number that it's just, we can just ignore it and move on. Similarly, if I find that the business are doing acts that are good, that are very good, then what we do, we consider the business as an ethical business, no matter what bad the business has, because everything has a good and a bad. If the good is more, consider it to be good only. Similarly, students who think that I'm not a good person, it might so happen that I have behaved badly with them, or some words of mine have affected them, or they are not liking my teaching pattern, or whatever. It might so happen, or it might happen, anything might happen. So they are completely ignoring my good portion. They are considering me as a bad person. But in business also, if it so happens that the bad portion is more than the good, then we will consider the business as an unethical business. The thing is your perspective. The thing is your act. Do good. Why I always say, just try to be good. No matter what. Try to be down to earth. Some students are struggling a lot. Some students have seen a lot of struggles. Some students are like born with a golden spoon. So if you are born with a golden spoon, just try to cherish all those. But don't be harmful for others, because you are at a beneficial position than the other students. But rather try to help those who are not at such beneficial position, but you know from your heart that they are better than you. People can never accept that I'm not good. They always have to think that I'm good, I'm better. But within ourselves, we can feel that no, I'm not that good. He is better than me. But still we won't accept that. Because what? Ego. But at the end of the day, you cannot lie to yourself no matter how much you lie to others. You will feel bad. You will feel worse. At this age, like you all are like youth generation, just flying, running. You won't get the vibe at all. You are just running from everything. But the time will come when you will get stabilized. These emotions will get stabilized. Then you can understand what you have done or what you are doing. Yes, in this age means after few years, there are people who do not understand at that point of time also. Leave them. Just try to be good. Because the more you will try to be good, people will see the good in you only. Your bad will somehow get under your good works. So this is utilitarianism. Right? So what is egoism? Just if the business is giving certain kind of benefit to the society, then the business can seek certain return from the society as well. Utilitarianism, if the good acts of the business are more than its bad acts, then the business will be considered as good. We consider a friend as a good friend. We mix up with a group of people, we consider them good. Because we are seeing only the good things are more in them. But it doesn't mean the person with whom I am not mixing up, he or she is not having any good. The only thing is that their bad is more powerful than their good. That's why we are considering him or her as a bad person. The moment the good things will overcome the bad ones, the person can be termed as an ethical and a good person. And in a practical life, we do this only. Correct? The last, it's not the last, but last for today's class is relativism, or otherwise you will sleep now. Next is relativism. What is relativism? What is relativism? Or I will continue this in the next class rather. Let it be this much only. It's okay enough for today. We have only one chapter. We'll complete it before exam anyhow. So what is it? Let it be today. Let's just stop. We'll continue with relativism in the next class. Okay? Okay students, thank you.